Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're diving into coupon codes in Odoo 18, a powerful tool to boost customer loyalty and drive more sales. Whether you're running a limited time promotion or rewarding specific customers, Odoo makes it super easy to create and manage coupon codes effectively. So let's jump into our Odoo database and walk through the process step by step. Before creating any coupons, we first need to make sure the necessary feature is enabled in our system. To do that, head over to the Sales app, then click on Configuration, Settings, and look for the option labeled Promotions, Loyalty, and Gift Card. If it's not already activated, check the box and click Save. Once this feature is enabled, you'll find a new option under the Products menu called Discount and Loyalty. This is where you can create and manage all your coupon programs, loyalty points, and more. Here you can see a few promotional programs you already set up. To create a new one, just click the New button. In this example, we're going to create a 15% discount coupon. You'll notice that there are several program types to choose from. For this video, we're selecting coupons. If you're unsure about the differences between program types, don't worry, Odoo gives a short explanation for each one when you select it. You might be wondering what's the difference between coupons and discount codes in Odoo. Well, coupons are typically single-use and often tied to a specific customer. They are unique per user and are great for targeted promotions, like sending a birthday coupon or special thank you offer to loyal clients. Discount codes, on the other hand, are more general purpose. They can be used by anyone who has the code, and they are valid multiple times, up to a usage limit or until an expiration date. Perfect for public campaigns like Summer 20 or free ship. Next, we'll configure how and when this discount can be used. If you want to make the coupon available only for a limited time, you can set a start and end date, or simply leave those fields blank to keep it valid indefinitely. You can also limit how many times the coupon can be used. Next, let's define where the coupons can be used. You can limit the promotion to a specific company and choose whether it applies in the point of sale, the sales app, or on one or more websites, giving you full control over how and where the discount is offered. Great, our basic setup is complete. Now let's move on to configuring the conditional rules and rewards. First, we'll set up a conditional rule. Click Add Rule. In the pop-up window, we'll set the minimum quantity to 2. This means the customer needs to buy at least 2 items to use this coupon. You can also set other conditions here, like a minimum purchase amount, or restrict the coupon to certain products, categories, or tags that come toward this minimum purchase. But in this case, we want the promotion to apply to all products. So we'll leave those fields blank and click Save and Close. Next, we'll define the reward. You have a few reward types to choose from: a discount, a free product, or free shipping. In this case, we're offering a 15% discount. You can apply the discount to specific products, which you can select on the right-hand side, the entire order, or just the cheapest item in the cart. For our example, we'll apply a 15% discount on the entire order. You'll also see an option to set a maximum discount. This caps how much a customer can save in total. And below there is a custom description field, which is handy for displaying extra details to your customer during checkout. Once you've filled everything in, go ahead and click Save. Now that our program is fully configured, it's time to generate the actual coupon codes. Click on Generate Coupons in the top left corner. Here you'll have two options: Anonymous Customer, if you want the coupon to be shareable and not tied to any specific contact, or choose Selected Customers, to send the coupon to specific people from your database. For this demo, we'll go with Selected Customers. Let's keep it simple and send one coupon to Mitchell Admin. You can also set an expiration date for the coupon and enter a description, like 15% coupon. When everything is filled out, click Generate. Odoo will now create the coupon and automatically send it by email to Mitchell. After generating the coupons, you can click the Coupon Smart button at the top to view all the codes created for this promotion. If we open one, you'll see all the details. like the coupon code, the customer it was sent to, or whether it's been used yet. In the chatter, you also notice that an email was sent to the customer along with the coupon PDF attached. Let me show you how it looks. As you can see, it's very clean and professional looking document, showing all the conditions and rewards we set up earlier. Let's copy the coupon code, we'll need it shortly, and go back to the previous step. On the coupon line, you'll notice two smart buttons. The first lets you manually send the coupon to a customer. You can customize the message, attach files, and even schedule when the email should go out. The second button gives you a shareable link to your website. You can send this link to your customers, and the promotion will be automatically applied at checkout when they use it. It's a super convenient way to share discounts, whether through email, social media, or messaging apps. Now let's switch roles and imagine we are the customer. Michel receives the email or link and clicks on it. This takes him directly to our website. He adds two products to his cart, since that's the minimum quantity, and proceeds to checkout. Right there at checkout, he sees that the coupon is already applied. There are a couple of ways to use the coupon. You can manually paste the code into the discount code field and click apply. Or you may have noticed that little promo message letting us know there is a 15% coupon available. Just click use and it will be applied automatically. Just like that, Mitchell sees the 15% discount reflected in his order total. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage coupon codes in Odoo 18 sales. Don't forget you can also explore other promotion types like loyalty cards, e-wallets, and discount codes, which we've covered in our previous videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.